Here it is. Everybody, bit of hope. I said everybody, bit of hope.
Whee!
Get one of these down in your fucking sleeve. Ow. Are you recording?
Yep.
So this is the turbo.
That's your turbo.
That's 500 brake minimum. Yep. Alright, this is your engine.
Yep.
And then this is your battery.
Yep.
And then this contraption is the ECU.
To ask my accountant about that.
And we're putting a massive ECU in it right now.
Yeah.
And then what are these again?
Them? Yeah. What? These?
Yeah. Under your engine bay.
It's a strut brace, isn't it?
Yeah. I forgot that one. I don't know what. I swear all the fucking bolts are the exact same size on this car. Bet your fucking wheel bolts are the same size as these.
Get up there. Bit of that.
Then this is the turbo feed pipe. This just pops off.
It just slides off quite easily.
Yeah, really easily. So cool then.
Okay, I'll stop there.
Oh.
We're having a technical difficulty. We'll get back to you. We got it out. There's the air filter. Anyone want to buy a Corsa air filter?
Brand new condition.
Not used yet. Anyway, where's that one? Got him.
And then this turbo just slides right on. What you need is you need a statistical view.
Statistical view, go on.
And you need to heat this up with a melting gun and stretch it down. Hold that, and then the air filter comes out about here, and you shut your bonnet. Just lift the latch up, and that should just hang out there.
That's quite straightforward, really. So that's basically what we're dealing with now.
Yeah, what you needed to use to take that off is an Allen key. And the Allen key just fits straight in there.
Basically, the cone's meant to actually sit in the box. Well, on the Corsa anyway. Is it the same on most cars?
Depends how you do it.
Either way, it's meant to sit in the box a bit more than what it is, but we need to get another pipe. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. Yeah. Any last words?
Try.
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 Where did everybody go? Where did everybody go?